everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome! So how's everyone doing? I'm doing pretty good. So I have a few things to show you today. I won something in a giveaway that I had not entered. Don't you hate when that happens? And no, it's not a cruise. And then I also have a finished object to show you that I absolutely love. Okay, and I have a Dollar Tree haul. It doesn't include yarn, but there's a couple of yarn related items. Okay, so let's start with my winnings. J-Hook Crochet, the lovely Reggie. Hi Reggie. She was doing a live and she was drawing names out of a container to win prizes, and I actually won and one of the prizes, and I had tested a crochet pattern for her. I'll put her link below to her channel, and she has the link to her Etsy shop in her description box, so that you guys can go and check out her patterns and maybe buy some if you like them. So I tested a pattern, and everyone who had tested that pattern, their names went into a container, and she drew a name out, and it was mine. So I won. Catherine Noel from Cat's Eyecatchers, I believe the channel name is. I'll link her below. She had donated some of the prizes, or won prizes. I'm not sure how many, but so I got something from her. I won a prize from her that she had made. And she's all the way over there in Belgium, and I'm in Canada. Wow. So she had sent it in this package. I just covered up the address. And what she sent was, and I knew what was coming, I actually got to choose the color I wanted. So first of all, she put a little note. You are a winner, congratulations. I hope you will enjoy your prize as much as I enjoyed making it, Cass. So it says, hi Darla, I hope you receive this well and that you will enjoy it. Love, Cass. I already let her know that I got it. So there's a little note, and then she sent a tea. A bag of our Zen Again Infusion Clipper Natural Fair and Delicious tea. It's organic lemongrass, eucalyptus, and ginkgo infusion. Is that pronounced ginkgo or ginkgo? I'm not sure. Jingo? Anyway, it's tea. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm looking forward to it because I love trying different teas. Isn't that a pretty package? And here's the little prize I won. And she put it in this nice bag, and then she wrapped it in some purple paper. So pretty. And here it is. So beautiful. All right. Let me just hold it up against something white. Look! They're earrings with a little fuzzy ball. Aren't they neat? I think they're so unique. And I don't have my other light on. Just a second, I'll turn it on. See if it helps. Not sure if that helps, but aren't they pretty? And you could also use them as stitch markers. But they're so pretty. Thank you, Catherine. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I kept watching for my package and it wasn't getting here, and I thought, you know, it's probably not going to get here for a couple of months. And I think it was a month. So from Belgium, I think that's pretty good. I don't know. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from Belgium before. So that's that, and they are so pretty. And I do have pierced ears. I don't have them in right now because I tried to put them in, and I think maybe my holes grew in because it's been a long time since I wore earrings. But I'm going to try with a different pair to see if I can get the post through. Yeah. So, all right, the next thing is this cardigan by the lovely Pamela. Sorry. Pamela. Hi, Pamela, from Pamela's Adoring Crochet. And this is it. This is her, sorry about the noise. This is her cardigan. And I absolutely love it. This is the stitch. It's very airy for summer. And I just love it. Love it so, so, so much. It is comfortable. I love the stitch. It's just so, so pretty. And she mentioned you don't have to do a border around the sleeves. They look fine the way they are. But I did a border just to match up with the border that I did around here. Those are just 3 rows of single crochets. So I'm going to link her pattern or her tutorial below. So easy, just so easy to do. Just hit the table with my knuckles. Okay, so so yeah, I love it. You guys should make it. I'm going to take it off because you know what, it's hot in here. This week here in Winnipeg, it's going to get hotter as the days go by. Friday they're saying 37 Celsius. And I'll put on the screen what that is in Fahrenheit, and there will likely be a humidex with that. Because when it gets that hot, there's a humidex. So, yeah. Whew. All right, so the next thing, I went to Dollar Tree because word on the street is they got some new yarns in. All right, mine had the eyelash yarn like they always do, and some acrylic yarns, but I think they had those acrylic yarns before, but I'm not sure if I did not buy any. But they had a lot of colors, and they were putting merchandise out. They had big boxes down the aisles and everything, so I took a peek in some of those boxes, and the ones that weren't open, I read what was on the label, and they weren't putting out any more yarn at that time. But I heard one of the salespeople talking on the phone to a customer, and he was saying that whatever your Dollar Tree in your area, this is in Winnipeg, stocks, all Dollar Trees across the city will be stocking the same thing. We may get it at different times, but we'll all be stocking the same things. So I thought, okay. So when I said word on the street, that was Karen Pruden. I'll link her channel below. Hi, Karen. She showed me a picture of the yarns that are at the St. Vital Dollar Tree. That's St. Vital area of Winnipeg. So I checked by St. James, and no, not yet. But anyway, of course I bought stuff. Anyway. All right, so like I said, there's no yarn, but there's a few things that are yarn related, and I will show you. These things I did not see there before. These crochet hooks, 5mm and a 5.5. So I thought those were pretty cool. Seems to have a long enough neck. I don't like the ones that are shorter. The handle part seems to get tied up in my yarn as I'm crocheting. So I think these I might be able to use, or I may even put them in a giveaway. We'll see. So those were $1.25 each. I believe, where's my receipt? Because I noticed, actually someone mentioned that they are putting some prices up, or they have they have items that are more than $1.25 now. And so let me see. There's 2 items that I bought that were $1.50, and the rest were $1.25. Okay, so these were $1.25 for each one. I mean, you can't go wrong, right? And I also got these, and these are sets. Well, this is a set of 1, and it's a 4.5. And then, so I have a 4.5, a 5, and a 5.5. And then they had a set of 2 that are 6mm and 6.5mm. Now these are different. The other ones have the metal shaft or neck. These don't. But I'm gonna see what they're like or put them in a giveaway. Who knows? So I'll show you the things that I paid $1.50 for. Just 2 items. Let's see here. One is these just rubber gloves. Yeah, it says $1.50 right on them. There's 2 pairs in here. So I got that, and then I got this tub for $1.50. I mean, $1.50? Sure. It's, you know, it's a good price. I only bought 1, but it was funny because they had no more baskets. They just had a few customers in there at a time. That's all they're allowed, and they had they were carrying the baskets, and then there were the carts. I don't want to grab a cart because I will fill it. And so I thought, I'll grab one of these and I'll use it as a basket. So that's what I did. And then I decided I'm going to purchase it as well. Because I could have said to them at the counter, oh, I'm not taking the basket. But I did purchase it, so it was $1.50. I like that it has handles. Okay, so then I saw these mailers there. These self-sealing bubble. There's 3 pieces, 6 by 10.5 inches. And so these were $1.25. So I got 2. These are for sending out whatever, Happy Mail or whatever. I didn't see these before there, and I don't know why. I don't know if they didn't have them, but they do now. Self-sealing bubble envelope, 2 pieces. This is 8.5 by 13 inches. So that's a bigger one. So there's 2 in this one. And then I got some gardening gloves because I poked a hole through mine the other day when I was pulling weeds around my plants. And I got these succulent ones. They're called Succulent Pick by Floral Garden. I got 4. I like that they have the red tips because we have red trim around our house. So, yeah. I'm not always good at keeping plants alive, but I can keep these alive because they're fake. Then I got a couple of tissue papers. I thought these were really pretty. They're blue butterflies, and there's 6 sheets in here. I wrap Happy Mail with them, or winnings when someone wins a giveaway. That's those 2. And then I got some stickers. These are actually laser cut craft icons. It says 6-piece. They appear to be wooden, and of course they're owls. That was $1.25. And then I got some stickers here. These were bent. All of them were bent. This style, I don't know why, but just maybe they ended up packing them incorrectly. But I got 2 of these. Isn't that pretty? That would make a beautiful front on a card. That's what I was thinking. And then there's flowers in there. I thought it was so pretty. So I got 2 packages. It says pop-up stickers, 5-piece by Crafter's Square. And then I got these flowers. I thought they were pretty. I'm not sure if I grabbed these last time I was there, but I got 2 packages of these. They're metallic stickers. They're kind of puffy. They have some dimension to them, 12 pieces. So I've got 2. And I'll be using these to make cards or stick them on Happy Mail. And then I got this one. I only found the one. And I really was kind of excited about this one because it's, these are called puffy stickers. 6 pieces in here. See, they're like books. Because I want to make an album, just a small album. And I'm thinking this would look great as, you know, on the ends of it and on the cover and the back. You know, I just thought it would look really, really cool. So that is it. That is it for everything. Still working on the washcloths for Rose at Rose Likes Crochet for the Wings organization that helps women and children who are in domestic situations or have gotten out. It's a wonderful cause. Hi, Rose. So I'm doing that. And my tutorial, oh my goodness. I wasn't even going to talk about it, but you know what? I'm working on it. It was, I just ran into so many problems, did a lot of frogging. I think it's working now, so yeah. I'm going to try and get that out as soon as I can. So thank you so much for joining me. I forgot an item. I got this ribbon. Can't believe I forgot to mention this. This pink and gold ribbon. And this is Floral Garden. It's called Sparkle Fringe Ribbon. There's 3 yards or 2.74 meters. It says scrapbooks, gift bows, crafts, decorating. I'm even holding it up properly for you guys to see. Yeah, so just thought it was very pretty. I have a plan for this too. All right, I got 2. All right, so I think that's it. Let me look. Yes, that's it. So I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee and my beautiful mug from Karen Pruden. I already said hi, Karen. Yeah, she sent me this a while back. I love it. Oh, darn, I didn't mention the yarn I used for Pamela, for the cardigan. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna mention it now. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Wow, too many things to talk about at once. I'm sorry. So spindle yarn, Simply Denim, is the yarn. I actually showed it when I showed the whip of the cardigan. And it's a 4-weight, machine wash and dry, which is always good. 100% acrylic. There's 100 grams in here, 219 yards. Spindle yarns. True Denim is the name of this color. And I got this from Fabric Land here in Winnipeg, Canada, and I used almost 3 skeins. This is what I had left over. That's it. From 3 skeins. So that's over 600 yards I used, about 660 yards roughly to make that cardigan. Yeah, so I think that's it now. Sorry, I'm just all over the place. I thought I had myself organized. But anyway. All right, so you guys take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Enjoy the weather if it's nice where you are. And stay safe. Love you all. God bless you all. Bye-bye.